We're in Boston today. Look at this girl. Oh, it's so pretty. This is her bouquet. We call this one British Vogue. There she is. Tell me about making this arrangement.
Ooh.
Easy?
Yeah, super easy.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Had a great time.
Very saleable. How do you feel about being on the cover of British Vogue this month?
The flowers did all the work.
Yeah. Here is another sort of very gardeny
Cluster and zone.
cluster and zone.
Like
that was easy. You whipped that out
Yeah,
in 5 minutes.
super easy.
How was your week at American School of Flower Design?
Best week ever. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was great having you. They all go from 0 to 60 in like 5 days.
Yeah, for sure.
Here's your centerpiece for that British Vogue wedding right there. Beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What are you going to do with all your new talent? Look at that. It's amazing. It looks great on film.
I don't know yet. We'll
She
find
doesn't
out.
know yet. Call me with
Working
any
on it.
questions anytime, you know that. So, we're in Boston School of Flower Design.
Thank you.